Hello loves, and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I will be showing you my pretty begonia, and this is how it looks right now. And also I posted a video on this one like a couple months ago, and they are really growing so good. But today, this morning, when I woke up, I found out that my kittens accidentally played this begonia and it damaged the leaves. So right here it fell off, and I've got two right here. So I am just thinking of putting this one in the water. Hopefully this will survive, because I really love it when it's thicker looking or fuller looking. So this one is supposed to be right in this area right there. So it was really pretty before. So by the way, I just placed some bamboo right here. If you have begonia, they like to climb, so that's the reason I had like a bamboo stick right here to support the begonia. Because look at that, look at the growth. They are so easy to grow. They don't like so much water. All you have to do is water them when the soil is dry. So I did mine. I water like once a week, and during winter time I always touch the soil before adding some water. So they look really healthy. So what I will do today is I am just going to put this one in the water. Hopefully it will have a roots in 2 weeks or more. And the other one, this is the other one that my kitten destroyed. Oh, by the way, this polka dot begonia, they don't like so much sun, so that's what happened to the leaves, but they are all right. They can recover. So anyway, that's all about it, and I'll update you if this will survive, hopefully. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.